So today I want to talk to you about Airbnb, as it's a question I'm being asked more and more. I think it's because there's more demand for short-term lets, and also landlords are seeing it as a solution to the changes in the way interest on mortgages is being taxed. So I just want to go through a few pointers that you need to consider. More detail can be found in the blog notes. And if you have any questions or queries about this, please don't hesitate to get in touch. First point for you to consider is tax. It is more tax beneficial if you've got a mortgage on the property to let on an Airbnb basis. Secondly, you need to consider the additional costs of the let, your utility bills, your telephone, your light, your heat, and also the consumable expenses involved with running a short-term let. Thirdly, you need to consider furnishing the property. Again, the cost is deductible against your income, but you really need to consider the standard to which you furnish the property. A more tired property will let for less money and less often. Fourthly, your landlord's insurance may not be valid for short-term holiday lets, so you need to speak to your broker and make sure you've got a product that covers the extra liability for the fixtures and fittings and public liability. Fifth, you need to consider the turnaround, not only the cost but the time. Landlords that do rent through Airbnb struggle with reliable cleaners, and also you need to consider the extra time you've got to put in to turning the property around between lets. Number 6 is your mortgage. Check your mortgage terms and conditions, because you might not be permitted under these to let on a short-term basis. Might be worth a chat with your mortgage broker. Number 7 is council tax. Because you're classed as running a business, you might be assessable under business rates, and if you've got more than one property, this might be quite a bit of money. And number 8, you need to consider empty periods. Obviously, it's a short-term let, so it's not going to be full all the time. So on the face of it, while you might be getting £100 a night rather than £100 a week, there will be periods of time that you won't be earning any money off the property. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions or queries, please get in touch. And if you read the finer detail, I hope that gives you a few pointers. Thank you and good luck with it.